Hi to today's video. It's Lily from Lily's Cupcakery. I want to show you how to make waffles with cherries today. Yes, that is not typical German and there are waffles in the US, but the dough is a little different to yours. And also when we have people over for our traditional Kaffee and Kuchen and we don't have any Kuchen, we just make some waffles. We'll get right to the ingredients. You need butter, sugar, and egg yolk. Then we need flour mixed with baking powder, milk, and egg whites. And first things first, we're gonna beat the egg whites until they're stiff. Leben am Limit. All right. Now the fluffiness of the egg whites will make the batter really, really light. And now you have to beat the butter with the sugar and the egg yolk. Now take your flour baking powder mixture and add it to the dough, and then after that you have here lukewarm milk, which you also have to add. And now you don't want to mix it again, but you just want to gently take the egg whites and add them to the batter. So now take your waffle iron and let it heat up, and then you can already start making your waffles. Here have some powdered sugar and some cherries, and I have my friend over and we're gonna eat some waffles now together. If you share your waffles with your friends, then let me see it and use the hashtag Lily's Cupcakery. Now don't forget to subscribe down here. It is free of charge, and I see you again in 2 weeks. Take care and bye-bye. Woo! And number 2.